Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Mrs. Duck, here to help you with your math today. We are going to find out the ways to make 5. Now, I'm going to need you to go grab your cubes, like I have here, and 2 crayons. 2 very different color crayons so you could tell the difference, okay? Also, Mr. T is going to be along to help us. Go ahead and pause the video, grab your materials, and turn your book to page 37. Okay, now that we're back, Mr. T, will you help us out? Why, sure thing, Mrs. Duck. Let's figure out some ways to make 5. Now, we have all these cubes here on our page. We're going to make them with our cubes first, and then we're going to color. So we get to color during math today, so that's pretty cool. So one way to make 5 is just to count out 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. That's 5 cubes. We've made a 5. So one way to make a 5 is to color all the cubes one color. Because see, there's all just one color here. So grab one of your crayons. And we just made a 5. Right? And we could write a number sentence right next to it. I think it would be pretty cool. We have 5 plus, how many of the other color do we have? 0, right? So we have 5 plus 0 equals 5. Just like that. Okay. So let's figure out another way. Well, this one we have 5 of one color. What if we take one of these off and instead replace it with one red one? Right? And we'll switch it like this. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of one color and 1 of the other. So I'm going to grab my crayon, and this time I'm not going to color all 5. I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And then the last one is going to be the other color. So you'll grab your other crayon. Just like that. There we go. Now, we'll write this problem. This time we have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 equals 5. So we made another 5, just like that. Now, we'll go on to our next one. But wait, Mr. T. Yes, Mrs. Duck. What is it? What if I make a mistake? What if I color the wrong ones? What if no, don't have to worry about it, okay? This is practice, right? We're getting better. We're learning as we go. Not a big deal. If you make a mistake, not a big deal. We learn from our mistakes, all right? Don't worry about it. You're going to do fine. Oh, okay. Thank you. All right. Now, the next one we have up, we had 5 of one color. We had 4 of one color. Well, let's do this. Let's take another one of these orange off and add another red. So now we have 1, 2, 3 of one color and 1, 2 of the other. So we'll grab our first crayon again, and this time we're going to color 3. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. And we'll grab our other crayon, and we're going to color the last 2. 1, 2. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause this, okay? Now we'll write this number sentence. This time we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay. Now, what do we do now? Well, let's take another one of these orange away, replace it with a red, and now we have 1, 2 of our first color and 1, 2, 3 of our second color. So let's grab our first color, and we're just going to color 2 this time. Here, now, after we've colored those 2, we grab our second color, and we color the remaining 3. just like that. Okay, now we write our number sentence, our addition sentence. We have 2 plus 3 equals, that's right, how'd you guess? It's 5. Nice job. All right, now we're going to continue doing what we're doing. We're going to take one of our first color away, our orange ones. We're going to add our second color. Now, we have 1 of our first color and 1, 2, 3, 4 of our second color. So we grab our first color. We're just going to color 1 this time. That's it, just 1. We grab our second color, and we're going to color the rest. And again, I've been coloring for a long time, so I might be coloring a lot faster than you. You can pause as many times as you need till you catch up, okay? There. Now, this time, our number sentence looks like 1 plus 4 equals 5. Good. Now, finally, look at what we're going to do this time. We're going to take this last orange away. We're going to replace it with the red. So now, we don't have any cubes to color with our first color. This time, we're just going to color all of them with our second color. Now it shows this time we have 0. 0 of our first color. So 0 plus, and we have 5 of our second color. Equals 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5. So now we have shown all the ways to make 5. That's all the ways to make 5. And if you look, you can see how the add-ins change positions. See, look at this one's 5 plus 0, and this one's 0 plus 5. So all we did is flip the add-ins. 4 plus 1, and 1 plus 4. That's the same numbers, we just flipped the add-ins. Same with 3 plus 2, and 2 plus 3. You just flip the add-ins. All right. So now that we've made a 5, and you figured that out, your job is to turn the page to page 39. And I want you to make 10. How can you make 10? Color it in right here, just like we did before. So it's going to be more coloring, but you can do it. We'll do this first one together. Look at this one. They already did one. 10 is equal to 10 plus 0. So 10 of one color, 0 of the other color. So I would take my first color, and I would color all 10. Now, the rest of them are up to you. What are different ways that you can make 10? Using one color, 2 colors. What are ways that you can make 10 using just 2 colors here? All right? I want you to have fun with this, boys and girls. Do your best, and we will get back to you on Monday and talk about all the wonderful ways that you made a 10. Yes, and all the wonderful ways that I've made a 10 as well. Right, Mr. T? Yes, Mrs. Duck, thank you for being so excited about everything. Do a great job, boys and girls, and we'll see you next time. That's my line.